Changing your primary device on Scribd is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is set up on your preferred device. Step 1. Log into your Scribd account. Open the Scribd app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the device you want to set as primary. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Manage devices. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Manage Devices or Device Management. Click on this option to view all devices currently linked to your account. Step 4. Select your primary device. From the list of devices, find the one you want to set as your primary device. There may be an option to mark it as primary or to remove the current primary device. Follow the prompts to make your selection. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new primary device, confirm the changes. You may receive a notification or email confirming that your primary device has been updated. Now you have successfully changed your primary device on Scribd. Enjoy your reading experience on your chosen device.